Okay, welcome students. We're going to cover the syllabus for Math 140. Let me share my screen. Okay. So Math 140 Trigonometry, Summer 2022, Professor Jason Holtman. It's an online class, asynchronous. Instructor is me. My office is Tech Connect Zoom. This will send you to the Tech Connect that's in Canvas. Office hours Wednesday 2 to 3 p.m. or by appointment. My phone number is here 949-441-6817. Text only. Please no voice calls. Email is jasonholtman@cerritos.edu, and the textbook that we're going to be using is the 12th edition of Trigonometry. Required materials. You should be prepared to take notes at each class session and bring the appropriate tools. So that you're going to download the notes. I have scaffolded notes, guided notes for this class. You're going to download them and then watch the corresponding video. This course utilizes the online program MyMathLab and Mastering through Canvas. You must purchase an access code in order to use this program. You can purchase the access code in the bookstore or online through Pearson when you access the homework. So when you access the first homework assignment, it will prompt you to purchase the access code. And you'll access not only the homework, but the quizzes and exams through that as well. You may be dropped from this course if you have not obtained access, logged in, and begin working on homework on MyMathLab within the first week. The text we will be following is Trigonometry, 12th edition. A hard copy of the text is optional as it is available online with your purchase of the access code. A graphing calculator, such as the Texas Instruments 83 or 84, one that looks like this, okay, is required for the course. We're going to be utilizing the same calculator for the entire course. It's a good investment, especially if you're going to go on to pre-calc and calculus. Course description. This course includes circular functions, inverses, graphs, angles, trigonometric functions, solutions of right and oblique triangles, identities, solutions of equations, and complex numbers, none of which I really expect you to know because you haven't taken the course yet. Student learning outcomes. This is what you'll need to know by the end of the course to show mastery of the course. Demonstrate an understanding of the definitions of the 6 basic trig functions and use them to evaluate expressions, solve equations, and solve applications. B, demonstrate an understanding of how to select appropriate trigonometric identity and solve equations involving trigonometric functions. C, demonstrate an understanding of mathematical trigonometric symbols, notation, and syntax and use them appropriately. D, explore and analyze trigonometric functions using technology appropriately. Okay, grades. Grades will be determined by earning points. 90 to 100% of the total points is an A, 80 to 89 is a B, 70 to 79% is a C. If you earn below 70% of the total points, you will not pass the class. Homework will be assigned daily via MyMathLab. Homework will be completed and graded online. The online homework will account for 15% of your final course grade. Becoming proficient in mathematics requires practice, and more practice. Keep a close eye on homework due dates. You are to keep current on the homework as no late work will be accepted. Quizzes. There will be 8 quizzes, 1 for each chapter. The quizzes will be accessed via MyMathLab. Quizzes will count for 5% of your total grade. Exams. There will be 8 exams, 1 for each chapter. The exams will be accessed via MathLab. Exams will count for 70% of your total grade. Participation. Participation will be based on your activity each week in the course through the submission of the weekly homework assignments, discussion boards, and attendance in 1 tutoring session per week. And it's not stated here, but participation is 10% of your grade. Academic honesty policy. Students are expected to display the utmost integrity. During all exams and quizzes, students are not to communicate with others. If a question arises during an assessment, chat with the instructor. As previously stated, the methods used to solve must be those performed in this course. There is absolutely no tolerance for cheating in this class. Any student caught cheating or assisting another student in the act of cheating will receive a 0 on the assignment or test and may be subject to referral to the dean for further disciplining action. It is suggested that you will work out all exam problems using pencil and paper, and keep this work until the course is successfully completed. All work you submit must be your own. At any point in the semester, you may be asked to meet with the instructor via Zoom to justify your solution process, to select problems and or discuss concepts that you have demonstrated in your work. You must set aside this time to meet within 1 week of notification from your instructor. If you cannot properly justify your submitted work, you will forfeit credit on the corresponding exam. Failure to attend requested meetings will result in a 0 score on the corresponding exam. Exams that are not properly justified are considered violations of academic honesty and will be treated with the same penalties as outlined here. Makeups. There are no makeups for exams. Homework is due on the due dates. For exams, if an unforeseen problem occurs, students need to talk with the instructor before the exam to see if a possible solution can be found. Attendance. Math is a unique subject that is difficult to catch up once you have fallen behind. However, it is your responsibility to officially withdraw from the course if you stop attending. Attendance will be based on your weekly participation in homework, quizzes, exams, and tutoring. Student accessibility services. Cerritos College is determined to equitable access to educational opportunities. Students with disabilities who may need an accommodation to participate in this class fully should contact Student Accessibility Services, SAS. There's their phone number. There's their email address. Information can be found at their website. There's their web address as well. I look forward to working together with you and SAS. Student responsibilities. This course requires your full attention during class time. It is your job to learn material. Part of your job will require you to participate in the class, submit assignments on time, seek the appropriate help as soon as you encounter difficulties, and ask relevant questions when you do not understand the material. Note, expect to spend 10 to 12 hours per week on homework and study time for this class. It's a very fast class, a lot of time involved. How to get help in this course. Embedded tutoring provided by Joel Joseph on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Monday, 10:30 to 12, Tuesday, 10:30 to 12, or 8 to 9. Wednesday, 8 to 9. You only have to select one of these sessions, one of the 4 sessions per week, or you can come to my office hours. I'm also available. I work in the Success Center. So number 3 is get free help by enrolling in AED 4205 Mathematics Tutorial. This is a 0 non-unit graded course that provides online tutoring for students by faculty and trained tutors. It is located here. So you click on this site and it takes you to the drop-in math. And then you just click on the website here below, http My Success Center, and that will send you directly to the Success Center for online, just-in-time, tutoring. Now, you guys have a unique opportunity in that my personal tutoring hours in the Success Center this term just happen to be 10 a.m. To 2 p.m. Monday through Thursday. So basically every day of the week, you have access directly to me. And then my office hours, just devoted to you guys, is Wednesday at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. So basically all summer, I'm just teaching this course and working in the Success Center. So again, you have access to Joel, the embedded tutor. You have access to me, basically, every day of the work week. The AED 4205 hours, the Success Center hours are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Thursday, Friday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Phone numbers of other students or email addresses of other students to form study groups and ask questions of fellow classmates. Math is a team sport. Connect through Pronto to form study groups with other members of this class. Tentative schedule. The first week is chapter 1, second week is chapter 2 and into chapter 3. Third week is exam 3 and chapter 4. The fourth week is chapter 5 and a little bit of chapter 6. Fifth week is ending chapter 6 and chapter 7. And the 6th week is chapter 8. Note this class schedule is tentative. There will be other assignments and their own due dates. Attend class regularly and always read the announcements in Canvas when you log in to keep up to date. Success in mathematics is a result of tenacity more often than skill. And that's it for the syllabus. If you have any specific questions, feel free to pronto me directly. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.